Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can copy objects within a block without using the block editor. Let's examine the function for copying objects within a block in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and the block menu appears. Then click on Copy Object in the block. There are two blocks on the screen. Select only the object within the block you want to copy, then press Enter. Specify the base point and copy position. Only the selected objects from the two blocks have been copied. It's convenient to use when you need to copy only certain objects from a block. We have used the utility function of CADian CAD to copy objects within a block. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.